One of the most interesting but often overlooked parts of a bow are the limbs. The materials available to us today as bow manufacturers definitely live in the space age category. Bowtech's carbon core limbs were created with a laminated limb construction process, which means there are several layers of material fused together with an amazingly strong resin. At the core of this limb is an extremely stiff layer of carbon, hence the name. The stronger and stiffer we can make the limb, the less we have to bend or flex it to achieve a particular draw weight. That was the mentality when developing the carbon core limbs, resulting in a tough, durable, ultra-efficient limb that delivers less noise, harnesses more energy, and cranks out more speed.